Hello and welcome to QuantPower. Today, we are going to talk about algo trading and how QuantPower is changing the game with its advanced algorithmic trading tools. What is algo trading? Algo trading, also known as automated trading or algorithmic trading, is a trading strategy that uses computer algorithms to execute trades. The algorithm analyzes market data, identifies trends and patterns, and executes trades automatically based on predefined rules and parameters. How QuantPower is changing the game? At QuantPower, we believe that algo trading is the future of trading. That's why we have developed some of the most advanced algorithmic trading tools on the market. Our strategy builder allows traders to create and backtest their own custom algorithms, while our algo trading feature allows traders to automate their trades based on these algorithms. The benefits of algo trading. Algo trading offers several benefits over traditional manual trading. First, it eliminates human emotion from the trading process, which can lead to more disciplined and profitable trading. Second, it allows traders to execute trades much faster and more accurately than manual trading. Finally, it allows traders to backtest their strategies on historical data to ensure they are effective before deploying them in live markets. How QuantPower can help you? If you are interested in algo trading, QuantPower is the perfect platform for you. Our advanced algorithmic trading tools make it easy to create and automate your own custom trading strategies. Plus, with our brokerage reversal program, you can trade for free if you are consistently profitable for a month, giving you even more incentive to succeed. In conclusion, algo trading is the future of trading, and QuantPower is leading the way with its advanced algorithmic trading tools. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, QuantPower can help you take your trading to the next level.